guys, currently it is 7:47 a.m. in the morning. I have to get ready now to go to church. I look so pale. Simba hasn't eaten yet, so I was thinking of making him spam, but I don't think we have spam either. I can just feed him something like chicken strap even. So we get it ready. I'm just gonna get ready. So I'm gonna put my makeup on and I'll also wait for Kyle. Just finished getting ready. We're gonna go to church now.
Mahalin ko, diabetes ang abot niya. He's been neglecting the warning of God.
This is from Tita. So I'm not sure if I can eat this, but I'm gonna eat it right now. And there's my cousin, guys. Say hi to Han. And there's my other cousin right there. And then there's very informational. Krista. The first thing that we got was this ham and this chicken. And today my boyfriend is making the chicken. And then I'll be making the rice.
So basically, I just found whatever ingredients you have for your tongue.
Okay, give me paw. So you're cooking, we're also watching this series. Then afterwards, we're gonna pick up his sister. So we're almost done.
Just like very easy to cook. This is from the chicken itself.
So change plans right now. We're gonna be eating first. I'm gonna put chicken sauce, and he's got his rice, and then we're gonna watch that zombie.
All of us are dead.
And this guy, he's gonna be having our company.
I think you're gonna like this game.
I have finally changed and now I'm off to work. And after work, I'm gonna hit a quick workout and then we'll see what happens from there. But right when I get home, I want to be editing a video, and then I'll also get back to studying.
and taking notes. So that's the whole process today. He twisted his ankle, guys. Yeah, this is so good. Okay, so we just got back home. Okay, so my boyfriend just left. I'm gonna continue watching this, and I'll also be taking notes and doing my journaling as well. Then I'm gonna do some editing on this camera right here. Editing my videos here, and I'll show you a little bit of what videos I'm talking about. So these are the videos. But yeah, these are the videos I'll be editing